Welcome back to our channel Respect Education.
Hi friends, this is chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Fractions and Decimals. Exercise number 2.1. The first question in this exercise is solve. In this question there are 7 bits friends. Now let us see the first bit. 2 minus 3 by 5. 2 minus 3 by 5. There is a short and a simple trick to solve this problem friends. You should multiply 2 into 5. So it is 2 into 5 minus 3. This minus 3 by 5. 2 into 5 minus 3 by 5. 2 into 5 minus 3 by 5. Here 2 into 5 is 10 minus 3 by 5. 10 minus 3 by 5. 10 minus 3 is 7. So 10 minus 3 by 5 is 7 by 5. Observe this fraction carefully friends. You notice that this fraction is an improper fraction. See here 7 by 5. The denominator should be bigger and the numerator should be smaller. But in this fraction and in this case, the numerator is smaller and the denominator is smaller and the numerator is bigger. So this improper fraction should be converted into a mixed fraction. Now let us see how to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. To convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, we should do division. Now let us see how to do this division. See here friends, this 5 should be written here as a divisor. And this 7 here should be written here as a dividend. So it is 7 divided by 5. Now 5 is here and 7 is here. 5 ones are 5. Now let us check. 5 twos are 10. 10 is bigger than 7. So let us take 5 ones are 5. So 5 ones are 5. It is 7 minus 5. We should do minus. So 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 gives 2, can be taken as remainder. So it is 7 minus 5 which is 2. Now 1 is quotient, 2 is remainder and 5 is divisor. In this case, the numbers should be taken from right to left. So it is 1, 2, 5. So we should take in this way. Always we should take in this way. When there is an improper fraction, we should convert it into a mixed fraction. We should take in this way. First the quotient, then the remainder and then the divisor. So it is 1, 2 and 5. Now 1, 2 by 5. We read it as 1, 2 by 5. So 7 by 5 can be converted into a mixed fraction by doing this specific division, and we get the mixed fraction as 1, 2 by 5. Therefore the answer is 2 minus 3 by 5. The answer is 1, 2 by 5. Is it clear friends? Okay friends, now the second bit. 4 plus 7 by 8. It is 4 plus 7 by 8. As we all know, 4 can be multiplied with 8. So 4 into 8 plus 7 by 8. 4 into 8 plus 7 by 8. See here, 4 into 8 plus 7 by 8, which is equal to 4 into 8. 4 into 8 is 32 plus 7 by 8. It is 32 plus 7 by 8. 32 plus 7 is 39 by 8. So it is 32 plus 7 by 8 is equal to 39 by 8. Now clearly you can observe this fraction is an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. As the numerator is bigger than the denominator, this is an improper fraction, and we need to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. As we know how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, we should do division. So now let us do the specific division. Okay friends, now let us do the division. 8 should be put here. So it is 8 and 39 here as the dividend. Always the divisor is smaller than the dividend. So 39 divided by 8. Now if you observe, 8 4s are 32 is smaller than 39. 8 5s are 40 is bigger than 39. So we should take 8 4s are 32. So 8 4s are 32. Here subtraction should be done. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. So here the quotient is 4. The remainder is 7 and the divisor is 8. Now we should write from right to left. So 4, 7 and 8. These are the numbers. So 4 coming to 7 and from 7 to 8. So we should write it as 4, 7 by 8. See here, 4, 7 by 8. Here 4 is the whole number, 7 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. 4, 7 by 8. Therefore the answer for this question, 4 plus 7 by 8 is 4, 7 by 8. Is it clear friends?
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.